buddy.
What'd you find, Kaden?
A tarantula.
A tarantula.
See him? See him?
Yeah, I see him.
See him? Things? See? See? See?
Wow, he's huge.
Look at those fangs. Look.
Okay, leave him alone. You're gonna smash him. He's right there. He's underneath there.
Come back here.
Okay, he's on his back. Leave him alone.
Look at those. Thanks. Do you see him striking?
Okay, leave him alone.
Look, he's biting. He's biting the wood.
Wow, he's huge, Kaden. They jump too. Be careful.
Don't,
he's mad.
These ones don't jump.
He's really mad. Oh, he's on his back. Here, stay still.
I'm gonna put him on the log. Look at that. More than tarantula. Just put him down
Okay,
on
put
the
him back.
log. And put him on the log. Look at that. Look at that, bud. Look at that. See that? He's fierce.
He's fierce.
See those fangs?
Yeah, he's mad. Leave him alone.
Look at that.
He thinks you're gonna hurt him, but you're not trying to hurt him. We're just checking him out.
Can I flip you over? Okay. Don't go in there.
Okay.
Look at
He's cool. Okay, leave him alone.
Look at him. Look.
Oh my gosh, he's so mad. Okay, leave him alone. Say thanks for letting us see you.
Oh my god.
Bye for now.
Look. Look.
Okay, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Let's go.